Today I will show you how to create a simple footer by Elementor Pro in WordPress. First, we need to upgrade Elementor for creating this action. Now, click to add new option from the footer side menu. This is the layout for creating footer. At first, create a container box. Now, insert an image widget, and import the website logo. You have full control to resize and align the logo as you like. Now, insert the icon list, or navigation menu to display the footer action menu bar. Now, you can fix the standard style. If you'd like to change the icon, simply click on the icon list and choose a different one from the Content tab. Write to menu name. Now, insert the social icon list. Select the central container box for changing the background color. You can also change the padding margin. It's looking nice. Keep this color background. Now, publish it. You need to set a condition to show the footer entire site, or limit it to a singular page. Now, see the live preview. Refresh the page. The footer template is ready. You're free to make any changes or enhancements to the design and content. I'm missing to add the default copyright text. Let's create it. Now, publish it, and see the live version. I think, now it's completely okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting updates.